Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. We have to simplify this given expression. Now, before we simplify, let's remind ourselves that sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Now, with this information, let's get ahead. So now we have, let's look at the first term, cos square 30 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees whole divided by sine square 30 degrees plus sine square 60 degrees. Now in this first term itself we can see that 60 is 90 minus 30. So let's look at the next term. We have sine of 90 minus theta multiplying sine theta divided by tan theta, which can be written as, let's replace it, sine theta divided by cos theta, plus cos of 90 minus theta multiplied by cos theta divided by cot theta, can be written as cos theta divided by sine theta. Now since 60 is 90 minus 30, what we can do is replace cos of 60 with sine of 30. So cos square of 60 will be replaced with cos of 60 is equal to sine of 30 degree. Therefore, cos square of 60 degrees is sine square of 60 degrees. Similarly, sine of 60 degree is equal to cos of 30 degrees. So sine square of 60 degrees is equal to cos square of 30 degrees. So let's replace these in the first term. We have cos square 30 degrees plus sine square 30 degrees whole divided by sine square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees 30. Now in second term, sine 90 minus theta can be replaced with cos theta multiplied by sine theta, and in the denominator we have sine theta divided by cos theta. So denominator of denominator will go in the numerator and multiply here. Similarly, in third term we have cos of 90 minus theta being replaced by sine theta multiplied by cos theta, and denominator of denominator will multiply here as well, so multiplied by sine theta. So if we observe this, we have cos square theta plus sine square theta as 1. So both numerator and denominator of this term is 1. Sine theta and sine theta will cancel out and we are left with cos square theta here, and cos theta and cos theta will cancel out here and we are left with sine square theta here. This is since sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so this becomes 1 again. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the simplification, that is final answer of this, is 2.